Dear friends, dear teachers, dear viewers, I repeat, effective teaching without effective revision, without uh, appropriate revision plan is null and void. So I've thought of this revision strategy or model, and when well used, it will perform miracles. It will help you because I've used it several times, several years, and it has really worked for me. I understand we are in a revision time. Candidates are writing papers and the teachers are going through, which is okay. But I'm here to show you sometimes something we are doing and which may not help those candidates to benefit from that revision they will get or they are exposed to whenever they are done with writing the paper. The teacher, you have marked it and now you are going through. So assuming that this is a paper, for example, they have done a paper like this one, and the teacher, you have analyzed this paper. I normally tell you that every paper they write, make sure that you have a revision plan for that paper. Begin by carrying out what you call paper analysis. For example, you can prepare paper analysis in a table form where you have the number or the number, say number 1, how many candidates have failed it, how many have passed it, from which theme, topic, class, maybe remarks. What is that thing? What is that weakness that has been exhibited by the candidates? Was it question interpretation? Was it poor answering approach? Or the learners lacked knowledge or scientific knowledge? Completely. So the moment you are done with that and you are going through, if, for example, question 2, assuming that question 2 maybe was about resources in the environment, but most candidates have failed it. So that is an indication that you need to go back and actually reteach the entire topic. So that means that a paper like this one can take me 4 days going through this paper. The moment you do that, that revision strategy, believe me, it will work for the candidates, it will work for the teacher, and that's what it means: effective, purposeful, relevant revision strategy. If the question was about accidents, revise all the concept or the subject competencies under the topic accidents and first aid, beginning maybe with P4, maybe you got P6, and you explore each and every competence under the topic accidents and first aid. So that means that you need also to consult the curriculum of different classes, and you see or you discover what was tackled and what was not tackled. Was the right procedure followed? For example, you may find in the curriculum they were instructing or guiding the teacher to perform an experiment with the learners to demonstrate maybe how transpiration takes place. So this is the time when you are supposed to revisit the curriculum and you find exactly under that topic which they have failed. All the competencies as reflected in the curriculum. If the teacher was supposed to perform an experiment, investigate, to describe, make sure that you go back and you allow these learners develop or exhibit or portray their competencies under those subject competencies enshrined in the curriculum. The moment you do that, that one we shall call it an effective revision strategy. It doesn't mean whether, in other words, whether the paper you take like 4 days going through the paper, that is not an issue. But has that revision benefited the learners and make it child-centered? Let learners participate. And that's what we are supposed to do, and you will see great improvement in the lives of the learners, in the performance of the candidates. I normally tell you, it's not the number of examination sets that will help those learners to better their performance, but the revision strategy. How effective is that revision strategy that you have used? I can use this paper, for example, if I go through it very well the way I have guided, even if they bring other papers from different themes or topics, you will find my children are safe. Why? Because of what we call effective, exhaustive, or comprehensive revision. Otherwise, going through, revising with the learners, question 1, then you give the answer, question 2, then the answer, that revision strategy is not competence-based, is outdated. It will not help the learners to improve or to better their performance. Dear viewers, as I wind up, just go in the comment section, type your comment. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channels or channel for more similar videos that are on the way coming. When I win, you win. When you win, I win. Thank you.